Hello. So, your kid is not keeping up with their peers. What can you do about that, right? What's this mystery of childhood learning? What's learning differences? How does sensory integration fit in? What do you mean the immune system? What do you mean how they see and what they see? And I thought there was only 5 senses. What's these other 3? What's midline crossover? Okay, we'll be talking more about all of these as we explore, discover, work together, share stories, look at science, best practices. What is childhood learning? How does a child learn, right? And if your kid's stuck, doesn't match peers, what can you do about it? Because there's definitely things you can do. There is plenty of hope, plenty of best practices, plenty of science and research behind it. And I've been doing this for 11 years, and I'm going to share everything that I've learned. And your kid doesn't have to be stuck, okay? You just have to not be in denial, okay? Can we work together on that? All right, we'll talk more soon, okay? There's a way to do it. There's a roadmap. We're going to share it together. I promise I will not overwhelm you. That's not my job, right? Okay, we'll talk again soon. Peace be with you.